Good morning, everybody. Today is October 29th, 2025. Today is the well anticipated FOMC day. Um, so we'll see how that's looking today. What I read was that there's a 96% chance that 96% chance that FO sorry, I'm so fucking tired. It's a 96% chance that the Fed will lower rates, right? Probably due to lack of buyers market, not in the market, but just in the overall. Uh, Hold on, I am. Oh, I got some brain fog today. Let me tell you. Okay, so Fed might cut. Well, most likely will cut rates, right? Because they want to print money in the future. Um, since the job reports are going down, less people have jobs. They're gonna lower rates by probably 0.25 points. Um, just to help the economy and so they could print money in the future. Today I will be trading. Um, I won't trade FOMC itself. That is until 2 p.m. But doesn't mean that there is no moves in the market beforehand. I think that's a terrible thing to assume just because there's news today that we can't have any good moves and we're just going to consolidate the whole time. I could see if we consolidate the whole time, and then if I want to trade that consolidation, that's a different story, right? But every day, there's always a move you can catch. There's no market condition where you cannot catch any moves. Yesterday was super consolidated. We still caught shorts. We still hit full profit. Like, it's, you know, it's all based on your strategy. If your strategy gives you one setup a week, then I'm sorry, then you're stuck at one setup a week. If your strategy gives you multiple setups a day, even on the most consolidated days, you could take a setup. So, um, I will be trading only ES. I will not be trading NASDAQ. NASDAQ pisses me off now, as you all know. US stock extend record run to fourth session. Interesting. What's interesting is I didn't know that Top Step just randomly rebills you on past accounts that I thought I canceled too, which was some bullshit. But yeah, apparently they rebill you, and I have 3 like resets on combines, so I might trade that today. I traded yesterday on one of the combines. I took a short on YM, and it was a pretty nice short. I'm not gonna lie. Cannot complain about it. Let's do a little market analysis. It's with all-time highs. You see a lot of highlighted zones to the downside, right? See a lot of orders at 69.35, about 10 points away. So, but always hold extreme precaution when trading it. Please and thank you. Right, number one thing we talk about is if you're a good trader, you manage your risk. That's why I fucking take a shit ton of losses sometimes. I just don't know when to analyze risk correctly. We have a 12-point open on ES, which is pretty tiny. It's not a big open at all. Let's see if we break out of opening range or not. Let's see a lot. We have some icebergs sitting. A lot of buy icebergs. So I'm probably going to go up to maybe 69.55. For sure going to touch 69.48.75. Unless those sell icebergs are more valid than invalid. Volume delta is at 6,000. So there are a lot of buyers in the market. Right. Maybe take a buy off of New York or overnight. I mean, yeah, 148 icebergs. We're tapping into icebergs, ladies and gentlemen. We don't even have data on the SVP. That's interesting. Let's see how YM's looking. We might come to that 69.35 level. So that's right under opening, lower part of opening range. Is there any other news today? Pending home sales, BOC press conference, Bank of Canada. I think home sales are down from what it looks like. We rejected off New York. Maybe a long off of New York. Target a short move. We don't really have that many orders to target. We have some at 69.55. But I might, yeah, we're rejecting off New York. I might take that sell position. I'm going to put a limit sell right under New York. If it hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. So now if it breaks below it, probably keep going downward. It looks like sellers are holding up. We're getting some sell icebergs. Then we would target 69.35. Feel like that's an obvious move. Some in. Taps me in and immediately reverses my position. It's pretty cool. Might stay above New York then. I do see some sell ice. Oh, okay. Yep, there it is. Oh, of course. That random spike once again. Luckily, I'm only in for 10 micros, 10 ES contracts. Mm. Current volume delta's at 7,000. It's nice. Man, this just looks like euphoria to me, man. Oh, what? No way. Put me in the market again. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm fucked. Unless this flips. Probably not. Oh, it's so stupid. I meant to put a limit order, but it did not work out. You got a lot of sell icebergs. A lot of buy icebergs as well. See who wins the battle. Seems like to me we're not going to go any higher than we already are. Highly unlikely. Even though we're getting a lot of buy icebergs, I think the market's already way too high. We are at all-time highs, but for FOMC, I mean, I would assume that they would stay near overnight or VWAP, come down to some kind of average price so they can unload their shares. Or maybe the Fed rate's actually anticipated well. And yeah, I don't know. Oh wow, it's a lot of sellers in the market. I don't think I've ever seen Delta at 8,000 before. Well, that's nice. Seeing that accumulation of icebergs. I mean, I don't know how long we're going to be up. Okay, those sellers got absorbed. And it took me out of the market. That's actually horrifying. Yeah. All right. Well, this account's done for. 3 straight losing days on this account. Down 1,800 on it. That was stupid of me. So yeah, I'm not trading that account anymore. But I got a new main account. Let's see what we can do with it. Sometimes you lose accounts, ladies and gentlemen. It's not what you do when you lose, it's how you react to it. Mm. Mm. Okay, so this is gonna be on my actual account now. My new main one. I put a sell limit at opening range high. If it goes past down there, I'll be in the shorts to target overnight. And then I'm gonna trade YM on my Top Step account, taking shorts on YM. Shorts look good on YM. Well, they did look good, but ES is getting delayed. YM's already going shorter. So probably targets New York. Probably targets New York VWAP. Oh, complete retracement of that position. Brutal. And it's not stopping. Is that a lower high? What it is? Is that what it is? Look how many sell icebergs there are. That's insane. ES and YM are both dropping. Come on, keep pushing. I'm filled on ES. Target will be overnight. And then see if we get to New York. TP almost hit on YM, up 800. About to pass the account. Don't retrace now, though. Come on. Actually, if we break past New York, I'm going to add in 5 more contracts. YM's $400 away from hitting TP. I just needed to try to touch New York. And ES completely retraced its position. Magically. Never even touched New York. Come on. It's a pretty good setup. Break out of opening range, back into either New York and overnight. Accumulation of an ice wall. I wonder where's the point of control. Point of control is right under New York, which is 69.45. Okay. So yeah, it should come back to point of control. Come on, YM. Don't be doing this to me. So close to passing this account. YM's point of control is under its New York 2. And then it's in between New York and overnight. There we go. Should be a full TP YM. Nice. Hopefully we don't reject off New York. Oh, come on. YM, don't do this to me. Come back down to New York. YM seems to not want to come back down to New York. It's still more sell pressure than buy pressure. So I'm not gonna do anything just yet about that position. Yeah, yes, seems to be still falling. I think this move's going to continue because I just don't see any other orders. Added 5 contracts on ES. I don't see this holding New York. Got too much sell pressure going on. I'm going to buy out some of my contracts at overnight for ES. Still waiting for YM to hit TP, which is literally 1 point away. Not 1 point, sorry, 10 points. Yes, should hit overnight. Oh, YM, don't do that. Don't flip on me. I want to get the chart for YM. You have to pay an extra for like the CME data package just to see YM in gold, which I find kind of stupid. I feel like that should be already included considering I'm paying $300 a month on this bullshit. But I mean, what are you gonna do? Yeah, YM does not want to move downward. Come on. I am 10 points away. Hit my TP. Hit my TP. Come on. So close, dude. Oh, come on. Is ES retracing? No. It's just collecting some liquidity. Yeah. ES came back to New York. The sell pressure is there. Never mind, it was there. Couldn't hit overnight. Same thing on YM. There's like no volume in YM right now. Looks like ES is coming down. Yes, you could still trade without using Bookmap. It just makes it a little bit more difficult, if I'm going to be honest. It's still perfectly feasible. Sweet. I hit, I passed my combine. I'm in profit. Nice. Oh, that's a complete retracement. No buy icebergs though right here. Just interesting. Makes me think we're gonna go shorter. There's some buy icebergs. I think they still want to get to that 69.35 level. We're coming just back into point of control, it looks like. Have some sell orders to the top. If we break New York, I'm out of this position. Oh. $124 sell ice. I'm gonna enter in 5 more. It's a good position to be in. Nice. Ooh, more sell ice. Probably pushing it towards that 69.35 level. They're trying to, at least. Yeah. They're pushing the market down, it seems like. Yeah, HEMAT's really condensed. This actually could go either way. But we're just seeing how many sell ice there are. It's hard to think. I'm gonna still keep going up. Bookmap looks like it's clearing its way to go down. We saw the order shift. Look like order aggression's picking up. That's pretty. See if we reject overnight or if we just flow by it. Not a lot of volume in this market, unfortunately. There we go, picking up a little bit. We got sellers coming in. Sellers coming in. See if we break that low. We should break that low. Maybe not. I think it's too condensed here. To me, it just seems like bearish order flow. Coming down to this low, break the low of there, or the low of session. Stronger bearish volume. I don't really have too many buyers in this right now. And Delta was just over fucking packed. Delta was at 8,000 at one point. Like at that point, you have to realize there's some trap buyers in there. I did set a limit order at opening range high, which like if it wasn't gonna fall, it wasn't gonna fall. But if I knew if it's gonna break opening range or not, and I knew it was gonna break opening range, I would rather take the short at opening range than try to catch the top. I'm seeing a lot of buy icebergs. Might want to step out of this position quite soon. To me, it seems like it's just gonna fly by now. We rejected overnight. Not that strongly, but enough to make me want to say, nah, I'm good. looks like order flow switching to bullish. Some bullish order flow going on here. Do have some sellers in the market. If it breaks New York, I'm out. Still holding New York. Nice. Yeah, we can't hold New York. We're probably going to shoot the house down now. Come on. Keep shooting. Yeah. Lack of liquidity here just makes it want to zoom past all the way to these orders. Oh, what? Oh, don't retrace now. There's a lot of buyers. Shit, man. What the hell just happened? Buyers are scared? What's going on? There's way more sellers than buyers in the market. Yeah, I'm not surprised there's consolidation between New York and overnight. It's usually what happens on big news events, where they'll unload their shares just back and forth at New York and overnight, whatever's the best fit price for them. I still think we're gonna reach that 69.35 level. I think that's just like clearest level we have. Those top levels are all consolidated. There's like 40 of them. I doubt that we want to keep on buying as of right now. Maybe if we hit those levels at 69.35, we'll start buying a little bit more. For right now, I think we're going to bounce around New York and overnight and eventually hit that bottom target. Because, I mean, we need to collect some kind of liquidity if we want to keep going up. So, yeah, I mean, we're getting way more aggressive sellers than buyers. To me, we can't even hold overnight. Oh my god, did I forgot to share my screen again. I'm fucking retarded. I keep forgetting to share my screen. That's fucking ridiculous. No wonder no one watches my fucking videos. OIM seems to be retracing after hitting New York. I might get out of 5 contracts out of this position and put a short on YM. Okay, we got 211 icebergs coming in. Gives me a little bit more faith. We're going to start moving downward. So I was like, if ES isn't moving, I see YM's moving pretty nicely. Well, why not just put a nice short on YM? CS doesn't want to fucking move today. Yeah, we got more orders coming at 69.52. I think buyers will eventually get that level, but for right now, I think it's just still going to be shorts. Sellers are in control. We're completely overbought. It's doubtful that they want to keep going higher. Looks like everything cleared up. Oh, my assumption was wrong, I guess. I guess 1,000 sell ice does not matter in this market. Rejecting off New York again. Man, the only thing I liked about NQ is just how it moves, man. It's either clear or it's just like you'll see consolidation. ES, dude, there's just no clean moves in ES. Like, what the fuck was that? They were going down and then instantly shifted back upward, and now we're going down again. All in 2 candles. Like, can we just go up or can we just go down? Yesterday, rejected off New York 25 times. I counted it. 25 fucking times we rejected off New York before we finally hit our target. Yeah. Looks like my position is cooked. Said sweeping some stops. A lot of sell ice, stop swept. Oh, this actually might be a good position. Hold on. We're sweeping some stops above New York. Pretty firm in this position. Nice. Just don't retrace again. It retraced. Looks like we were just sweeping buy stops. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Mr. Jones. Oh, I want to take that short on YM. Micro Dow. I'm short on YM. See some volume picking up? Maybe. See that ticker moving pretty fast. My YM position's up, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. YM position going crazy. Back down to overnight. Fuck you talking about? Never mind. I'm fucking down on this position. What the fuck is up with these retracements back into New York and overnight? Can we just reject it? For fuck's sake, man. Dude, ES is pissing me the fuck off. How many times do you have to reject off in New York and overnight, man? Same shit yesterday. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Don't do it. Or chase back downwards. Yes. I don't know if my position on ES is up or not. No, I'm down $25. Something. Come on. Stop retracing. Can we finally move downward? Please? There's so many aggressive buyers, dude. What the fuck? What's my position on the Dow looking like? It completely retraced. Come on. Ooh, ES is up. ES is up. I'm gonna get out for 5. I sold an extra 5. Fuck me. No way. No, 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 no. Fuck. I'm so fucked. There goes my whole position. I meant to get out for 5, bro. You're That's so fucking gross. I fucking hate Top Step X, dude. Okay. Can I buy out of 10 contracts now? Once we get to a better average. Okay. What's my position on YM? Only up $15 on the Dow. That was really slow today. All right, max daily profit hit. It's nice. Not a bad day. Looks like I only took one loss. When did I take a loss? Oh, YM yesterday. Yeah. That's fine. And so this is what we're looking at right now. We're up 735 on this account. Not terrible. Started it yesterday. I can only get 375, but the profit target on this is 2,500. So, and I can take a payout after hitting 2,500, which is nice. It's not bad at all. And I also passed the Top Step payout, or not payout, combine. Look at that. I took some YM shorts. YM fell, and then I made some money on ES. Yeah, not terrible. Can't complain. And then I did have, these are what, where's this? Yeah, I took YM shorts right here. Break down back into New York after hitting opening range high. Passed the account, which is nice. 2 for 2. Took shorts yesterday, took shorts today. Pretty simple. But yeah. People say you can't trade on FOMC days, which is completely not true. You can 100% trade. Just don't trade FOMC itself, because then that would be gambling. Right? There are good setups. I mean, 10 ticks on the Dow is not that good of a setup. But on ES, S&P, I meant to do micro S&P. I mean, I took shorts. I put a limit order for shorts right here. New shorts were on $150 risk, targeting this. All right, 2-to-1 risk to reward. Technically, average price was like right about here because I did re-enter, right? Enter in for 10 down here. Exit out for 5 right here. Another 5. And then I accidentally placed another 5 instead of getting out for 10, or for getting out for 5. And then I got out for 10 and then got out here, right? And then profit target hit, right? Near that 35 range. As I was calling from the beginning of the day. So, yeah, not a bad day. The fuck you mean I got no active? Oh, they just passed me anyways. So good. Cool. Now I can trade a funded account on Top Step. How cool is that? Fuck, I forgot it's $150. That's kind of gay. Whatever. See, not a bad day. Up 365 on this account, and then passing another Top Step account. So trading two fundeds, not bad. I'm gonna try trading Top Step fundeds because I'd be green 5-6 days out of the week. I'll be up, and then trying to trade perfectly for 2 weeks straight without taking a payout is quite difficult, especially with a 20% consistency rule. I mean, the kind of like that limits my wins, right? Instead of just getting a $600 win, if I have no consistency rule like Top Step offers, no consistency rules, I could make 1,500 in a day instead of 600. And then when I do come into some eventual drawdown, I've been green for the last 5 days, right? I think that's the problem with the consistency rule. You can only make 600, but then my daily loss limit is 600, right? I can't make it any lower. I need room to work with, right? Sometimes I come up to $500 of drawdown, and then it reverses and completely hits my TP, right? That's just how it works. Look at the size of my stops. That's why I'm able to have a high win rate. Just saying. But yeah, shorts were in though. When Delta's at 8,000, I mean, I doubt we were gonna go any higher, and then we smash TP. Yeah, he's got to be, ES does align with its moves for sure. It just takes a while. It's very consistently ass price action, but in the end of the day, I mean, we did catch how many points? 10 points. It's pretty good. Yeah, now it's fucking falling. Like I said it would. Falling off a cliff. See how the portfolio's doing. Oh, it's up. Nice. I bought some copper. It's looking good. Microsoft's down, Vanguard's up, SPY's up, Tesla is down a little bit. But my copper shares are up 1.3% today. Copper to the moon. Yeah. The reason I bought copper is because we're running out of storage for copper. So the U.S. and China deal will include no sanctions on copper, and then probably more businesses opening up into digging more copper. So the U.S. needs copper, right? One of the biggest copper reserves, and they're going to be in China. So with the new trade deals, coming out, good, Trump's trying to make some kind of deal with Xi Jinping, right? I bought some copper. I wasn't going to buy gold and silver because everyone's taking their profits off gold and silver, but copper was at a great price. So bought some copper. So up 3% on copper in total. I bought it last week. Nothing big, 30 shares. But does help the P&L. Free money. Fuck. Long morning, man. Glad I hit TP. I've been cooking on YM though. I ain't gonna lie. I fucking love YM. I gotta see how much the data package is. I'm curious when Bookmap's gonna charge me fucking $300 again. Yes, I'm fucking human. Just give me my fucking Bookmap account. Fucking dickheads. Oh, I don't get billed till November 29th? Need new data. I want to be able to see YM. I'm starting to like YM a little bit more. All of it for 97. Man, these guys are fucking expensive. Robbing my ass. Fuck's sake. Yeah. See if Fed will cut rates. I don't know why the fuck my overnight's glitching. This Project X shit's so ass. Can't fucking stand it. I'll buy fucking Top Steps account tomorrow. I don't feel like fucking spending money on it right now. But I like the fact that I could get more payouts on it. Just for trading for 5 days. That's fucking awesome. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the stream. Sorry for fucking not showing the fucking chart again. I keep forgetting to put it up. But didn't see my trade. Trade was this. Coming in. This was the trade. Pretty simple trade. Too many buyers, came back into opening range. I had a limit right there. And then stop was above Dallas highs after we saw a mean reversion. Bounce around New York and overnight, and then eventually went short, and we caught the full move. 10 points on the day, so $365. Can't complain. Pretty good day. Not an overcomplicated one. Pretty simple move. Textbook. So, thanks, guys. I hope you guys have a good day. Peace. Don't gamble on FOMC.